Back to my channel again, and yes, we've been seeing a lot of pushback down, and a lot of people are saying maybe um, this is not going to end well. Maybe the market is not really ready, but let's see what we have here that is building. Before I start, always remember, everything and anything I share in this video is not intended as financial advice. Before further ado, let's dive right straight into um, today's analysis. Okay, so I want to share something different with you guys, and you can see what is happening. It's not really new. That market is not 100% ready to resume its uptrend. So why am I saying this? We're still fresh in this year. The year is still very early. I think the month of February is always most times always bearish. So what am I looking at here? So first thing first, I want to show you guys this this indicator called MVRV. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, MVRV Z score. So let me remove this. I'll put this RSI back when we're back to the analysis. So let me see. Okay, so okay, let's see the weekly time frame. Okay, so let's take the weekly time frame as an example. So whenever price is inside this zone, it is a signal that the market is inside the buy range. Okay, why whenever price has moved to this red zone, is telling you close your long position. And for this to move away from here to the upside, it's not 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It takes several months. Okay, so you don't expect price to go up immediately and start turning from bearish to bullish. It takes some time, takes some levels of consolidation and the rest. Okay, so what I'm still gonna say here is we're still very much early. Okay, we're still very much early here. So let me remove this and put back the RSI. Okay, yeah, so this is it here. So let's talk a little bit about what is happening here. So I'm going to take my time to explain this very well. First thing first, I told you guys that we're having this falling wedge on a weekly time frame here, and for us to have this falling wedge, I will not be surprised if we have a retest. Now take note of this. I was looking at the chart yesterday and I noticed a lot of levels, a lot of pushback, which is healthy if it maintains the support. Now where are those pushback? Where are those levels we should pay close attention to? So let me delete this, and this is the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. Now we're looking at this level, we're looking at this major level here. and we're looking at these two as well. Okay, so let me put this right. So we're looking at this level here. So now, why are we paying close attention to these levels? And I'll explain this very well. A lot of things we should pay close attention to. First thing first, support and resistance. Secondly, a bullish reversal chart pattern on the weekly time frame if the support holds. Now, where are those support? We're looking at this first support here, where price is currently at. If it holds, fine. Then we're looking at this support here again. If it holds, it's fine. Then we're still looking at all these major rejection weeks. Now, what I am seeing that is building up the bullish reversal chart pattern. This is what I'm seeing. So I'm seeing an inverted head and shoulder playing out here. So now for me to draw this right shoulder, I'm saying maybe price would find its level around here or here, which is very, very important. Okay, around here or here. Okay, even if it stops here, I think we might likely push way in between here. Okay, so now it is very important to understand this. So just because I'm showing you guys an inverted head and shoulder, it needs confirmation. Okay, confirmation meaning that once price gets to this level, pushes back up and come back to this resistance, we need price to violate this psychological level and close within this area here. Okay, it is very, very important. Price close here, violating this and this. If it does, then we're going to get something like this. This kind of target. Okay, it's very, very important. Let's take a look at Ichimoku on the weekly time frame. Okay, so I'm going to remove all the drawings here. Now, for each flat metric, when I say each flat metric, I'm talking about the Ichimoku metric, which is the Chiku span, the Kijun, the Tenken, and the cloud. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that since on the 10th of January last year, where we had this bearish TK cross to the downside, till date we've not had any cross until now. Okay, so we're gradually looking at a bullish TK cross below the cloud. Okay, so that is for that. Well, I think we're going to get more and more consolidation within this range. Take note of that, within this range. Once we get this consolidation, it's going to take months, probably from now to the end of this year, or even if not to the end of this year, we're going to get a long consolidation, a long rejected levels. I think a lot of stop loss hunts and the rest. Okay, it is very, very important. Okay, now these levels are something we should pay close attention to. Okay, so once we gradually move to this level, we'll get to this cloud, which would likely give us an edge to edge. Okay, So what should we pay close attention to? This is what we're paying close attention to. Those levels I pointed out. This is the first one where price is currently at. This is the second one here. But even before we get to this second one, we already have this flat cloud here. So we should pay close attention to that flat cloud, okay? Or we might even get this 1 2 3 4 bearish move, which is 1 2 3 4 bullish move. 1 2 3 4. Okay, but let's wait for this to conclude its third move. Okay, so let's take a look at ETH before I call it a day. ETH USDT, or USD rather. I use Bitstamp. So you can see how the KELVIN is holding price here, which is good, a good sign. And let me see. Okay, we're still having this new formation here, which is the symmetric triangle chart pattern. Symmetric triangle chart pattern. So I think this is actually what happened. This is weekly time frame. You can see this bearish divergence. You can see bearish divergence here. So a push back down to this level should be expected, though. Should be expected. Something I don't think it's something new when you see a bearish divergence, and this weekly candlestick here, if it closes this way, it's giving us a bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so we should remember that. Okay, so what else again? Let's see if we can get anything on the daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame still showing I think we had this rising wedge here. Okay, let me see. Okay, not really rising wedge per se, but price actually violated this level. So like I've said, whenever you see price testing one particular level over and over again, it's telling you I want to go that way. Okay, the same thing happened to BTC. It continued to test that level over and over and over and continue to lean on that support. So it's telling you I want to go that way, I want to go through this way. Okay, so let's try to understand this. I'll try my best to update this on the Signal channel. So guys, stay safe, happy trading, and trade with caution. Okay, goodbye.